Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Toggle Daily Video Insights. In fact, this will be the last edition of 2020, and if you'd like to see more of these in 2021, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on toggle.global, where you'll also be able to test drive Toggle Copilot, the first intelligent investment dashboard, or sign up for our daily brief to receive some of these insights directly into your mailbox on a daily basis. Today, the focus is going to be on Alibaba. It's actually a stock we wrote about quite extensively in yesterday's daily brief to highlight the challenges it's facing posed by the Chinese regulators and how they might impact the US internet giants. Today, the focus is a little bit more narrow on a particular technical analysis indicator that has just turned bullish for Alibaba. In fact, specifically, we're talking about the Stochastic K-D spread, which has on previous 8 occasions when similarly it's crossed above zero, resulted in a median rise in Alibaba stock price of about just shy of 20% over the following 6 months. So what you're able to see here is with the starting point of 222 in Alibaba, the median projection would have it rise to about 284.36. And of course, as you know, if the price were to go out meaningfully out of this confidence cone here highlighted in light green below 191.36, the red line, then the odds of the historical pattern and this technical indicator paradigm applying would be significantly diminished. And this is often where many of the traders place their stops. Now, the reason why this is an interesting situation to have a look at is, one, obviously Alibaba has been quite a bit under fire by the regulators, but also the regularity of this pattern is quite remarkable. As you see here, going back 5 years, you really do have this occurrence from time to time take place, which in many, many instances, and we'll go down here to take a look at this, has resulted in substantially positive results. In fact, the convexity, the payout profile of this paradigm is really quite compelling because, as you can see, there were times when actually you stood to gain in excess of 20%, whereas the downside really was absolutely minimal. So again, have a look at Alibaba, see how it might fit fundamentally with your views, or if you're preferring technical analysis, how that might fit this, how this might fit the bill, but we certainly encourage you to take a look. In the daily brief, we also discuss the January effect, what it means for you, how it's done in the past, and what specifically it could potentially imply as far as the start of next year goes. Thank you for your attention. Again, follow us on the YouTube channel or check us out on Toggle Global, and we'll talk to you again in 2021.